When water, smoke, or fire damage your home, it can be devastating. With your property at risk of further damage, every minute counts. When there's a property emergency, call PuroClean, the paramedics of property damage. We're there for you when you need us the most. PuroClean technicians are trained in rapid response and specialize in the latest property restoration procedures to rescue your home. Most importantly, we do our job with compassion because we know what peace of mind means to you and your family. We do whatever it takes to give you back your home and sense of security. When it comes to restoring property damaged by water, smoke, or fire, PuroClean is unrivaled in the industry and has been rated highest in customer satisfaction. That's why PuroClean is trusted by insurance professionals and property owners nationwide. PuroClean, the paramedics of property damage.